Welcome back. This is Nick Agram. I will be discussing arithmetic sequences. The definition of that is that an arithmetic sequence is a sequence in which each term differs from the previous one by the same fixed number. For example, I used this example before. I am going to use it again. For example, we have 2, 5, 8, and 11, and so on. Okay, why can we say that this is an arithmetic progression? It is because that we have a difference from the previous. For example, we have 5 minus 2 is equal to 3, and then we have 8 minus 5 is equal to 3, and then 11 minus 8 is equal to 3. So we have this difference, and it is fixed, or it is constant. Okay, another example, we have 7, 5, I used this before also as an example, 3 and 1. So to find the difference, we have 5 minus 7 is equal to negative 2, and then we have 3 minus 3 minus 5 is equal to negative 2, and then 1 minus 3 is equal to negative 2. So we know that it decreases by 2. Then we all know that this is an arithmetic progression. Okay? A definition, u sub n is arithmetic if and only if u sub n plus 1 minus u sub n, or the second term minus the first term, or the third term minus the second term, is equal to d for all positive integers, and where d is a constant called the common difference. So our d here now is the common difference. So we go back here, this is our d. This is our d. Okay? More definition. For an arithmetic sequence with first term u sub 1 and common difference d, the general term or nth term is u sub n is equal to u sub 1 plus n minus 1 d multiplied by d. Okay, we're going to use the example we have before again, 2, 5, 8, and 11. Before I said that we have plus 3, plus 3, plus 3. And then if you can find that, then you have 3 times 1 plus something is equal to 2. Then we have minus 1 there. And then 3 times 2 minus 1, that is 5. And then we were satisfied, and we found out that our general term is 3n minus 1. But according to this definition, we can also find the general term. For example, we have u sub n is equal to the first term. Our first term is 2 plus n minus 1 times our difference is 3. And then we have 2 plus, if we multiply 3 by n minus 1, both terms, then we have 3n minus 3. Then we have 3n minus 1. So we have the same. So in finding the nth term, you can either use this formula or use this test that I discussed before. Let's take another example. We have 7, and then 5, 3, 1. Then we have our difference here is negative 2. So we have u sub n is equal to the first term, we have 7 minus plus n minus 1 multiplied by negative 2. Then we have 7. We multiply to both terms. We have negative 2n plus 2. and we have negative 2n plus 9, like what we did before in my previous video. So this is a good thing to find the general term. Okay, and then this is what I'm going to use in my examples that we're going to discuss. Okay, here's another example. Consider the sequence 2, 9, 16, 23. So we have 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. And then we have 16 minus 9, we have 7 also. So we know that the difference is equal to 7. Okay, show that the sequence is arithmetic. I already showed you. If we can find a fixed number, I will try some more. 23 minus 16, that is also 7. And then 30 minus 23, that is also 7. So we have a constant difference. Find the formula for the general term u sub n. For the b there, u sub n is equal to u sub 1. We have 2 plus u sub n minus 1, sorry, multiplied by the difference. And then we have 2. We have 7n minus 7. Then we have 7n minus 5. That's our general term. How about C? Find the 100 term. So you have u sub 100, and we have 2 plus, oh sorry, I'm not going to use that. 7 times 100 minus 5. We have 700 minus 5, then we have 695. D is 828, a term of the sequence. Okay, we try. So we have 7n minus 5 is equal to 828. If we add both sides of the equation by 5, then we have 7n is equal to 833. If we divide both sides of the equation by 7, then we have n is equal to 1. We have 13 there. 1. We have 6. 63, 9. Then we have yes. How about the other one? 2000. We have 7n minus 5 is equal to 2341. Plus 5 there. Plus 5. We have 7n is equal to 2346 divided by 7 divided by 7. So n is equal to, we have 3, we have 2 there, 3 again, we have 2, 26, not exactly. So this is a no, because 26 is not divisible by 7. So that is not. Okay, there are more examples that I want to discuss, and I want to do that on my next video. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you on the next video. Have a nice day.